This first portion of the video is going to go over the expectations for the course and the overview of what is going to be expected for the IB lab. And so first and foremost, I want to remind you that there are slides on the Canvas website in one of the announcements that I've made. So it'll go over the first portion of the slides. We'll go over the 797 rules as a review, as well as what ISO classifications mean and the operations of a clean room. Again, good background information for what we're going to be doing, but what we're going to be doing in the lab is more concentrate on the actual production, the actual admixturing of a compounded sterile product. So the first thing that we're going to have here is I'm going to give you a kit when you go into the clean room. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to wash our hands. We are going to then actually back up. Before we can get to the washing the hands part in the Star Center, we'll actually don on some of the protective equipment that you'll be needing. So we'll put on a mask, we'll put on a hairnet. If you have a beard, we'll put on a beard cover, and then we'll put on booties, and then we'll cross over the line of demarcation. Again, that's in the review for the 797 piece of the slides. And then we'll actually wash our hands, and then we will put on a sterile gown, and then we will put on sterile gloves. I'll do a quick demonstration on how to put on sterile gloves, and then you'll each put on a sterile glove set. When you go into the clean room, you'll have a kit available to you on everything you're going to need to know, or everything you're going to need to do in that time frame. All right. So that's the expectations when you're in the clean room. When your group is not in the clean room, then I am going to give you practice materials. So 30 cc, 10 cc vials, and we're give you syringes and needles, and you'll be expected to practice your technique before you go in there. And that's pretty much the expectations and what is going to occur. The other aspect is when you're not in the clean room, you'll have a short quiz to complete and be able to answer some of the questions, very, very basic questions, both on TPNs as well as sterile compounding. I will have a video for each step, or each task, if you will. So it may encompass one step, may encompass two steps, but I will try to keep the video short and to the point of what's going on. So if you want to just review one piece of it, you can just review one piece of it. Plus it'll make the video shorter so I can get them on Canvas and put them on the announcements. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll notice is that you'll have different size syringes, you'll have needles, you'll have a filter needle, you'll have an ampule, bacteriostatic water, you'll have your vial and what you need to reconstitute, you have your bag in which we're going to put everything in, and then you have a bag, a injection port cover. Alright, so we'll go to the next video and start the process.